Hello everyone and welcome to another video. You joined me today in a very cloudy day. It was actually nice earlier, but now that I've decided to go out, yeah, the clouds have decided to roll in as well. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing okay, all things considered. Looking forward to lockdown ending, or at least restrictions being eased this month. Kids are back in school, so that's good. Although I don't have any children myself, I feel sympathy for those who do. And yeah, it's nice. I'm out on the bike. It's like 10 degrees outside, which is decently warm compared to what the temperatures have been lately. So quite good. I've been having a slight issue with the Honda. I'm recording this vlog today, but I attempted to record it yesterday with the Honda, and yeah, it didn't work out. Basically, every time I try to record a vlog and on the Honda, lately at least, I just start feeling sick. I don't know why, but talking while I'm on that bike makes me feel sick, and this only started recently. And I know it might sound silly, but is that something that has happened to you guys before? Because it's been so weird for the past few months. Every time I go out on the Honda and I try to record a vlog, I feel sick, and I have not got the slightest idea of why that's happening. It's getting a bit annoying now, actually. Maybe it's got something to do with the riding position, because initially I thought I was just eating too much and then getting on the bike to ride. But I've been going out after some light snacks, obviously not with an empty stomach, because if I go out with an empty stomach I'm probably going to be feeling sick soon. But yeah, I have no idea what's going on. I also rang the track yesterday, so the bookings for the track days for this year, starting in April, should be going live over the next couple of weeks, hopefully. That's what they told me. So that's all good. I've got everything sorted, got the gloves, got the trailer, got the tow bar, obviously got the tow straps, not the tow straps, the tie down straps, yeah, everything. The bike's ready, just need some tires, which I should be getting at the end of this month, probably beginning of April. These are some nice houses. Now, one thing that happened that's not so great is me getting the microphone adapter for the GoPro, and I ordered it, paid for it, all good, received it in the post, and then went to try it. Didn't work. I have a GoPro Hero 7 Silver. Until I got the adapter, I did not know that you couldn't run external mics through that camera. That only works with the Black Series GoPros, which, as you probably can imagine, is a little bit annoying given that the adapter costs £50. So I essentially spent 50 quid for nothing. Well, it's not nothing really. I'm eventually going to upgrade to another camera, and I'm thinking it's probably going to be a GoPro Hero 9. So it's not like it's a complete waste of money. It's just for now I have no use for it, and I've been trying to save up as much money as I possibly can because of the track thing. And also, finally, after what is it, like five months of ownership, I finally found out that this bike has a clock. You can see right there, 4:35. It has a clock. I can know what the time is on this bike. Thank you for your service. So yeah, nothing else has really been going on. It's more of the same, really. I've just been riding about once in a while, you know, not going too far away from home. I mean, I probably shouldn't be riding, but you know, I need it. I really do. It's really important for me. It keeps me sane. I don't do it very often. I go out a couple of times a week anyways, and I don't really go particularly far away from my house, so we're all good on that regard. And yeah, now the weather's getting nice, the days are getting longer. Like a month ago at this time it would be night time, and now I think that's the sun over there. I think you can just see it, and it's amazing. It doesn't get dark till like 6:30 now, which is really nice. Also, my university has started allowing practical work again, so I'm doing a biomedical science course, and basically we've been restricted, so we can't do any of the practical work, and it's a very, very practical based course, and just doing it over the computer, over Blackboard, it's just not very nice, really. It's a bit boring, actually. So yeah, the practical work has started back up, so I'm going to be able to go in, get to the labs, and make some chemicals, Walter White style. No, I'm joking, I don't do that. Although they do have those sorts of substances at the university, or so I've been told. Obviously for research purposes. We here at Joe's Bike Life do not condone drug use. Also, I'm very much hoping you enjoyed the previous video, the one before this one, I mean. It's the second raw video that I've ever recorded on this bike, and in my opinion it came out a lot nicer than the first one. The camera's better, I guess the footage is better, the riding is a little bit more aggressive as well. Although, I must say, this bike has had its sprockets changed. I have no idea what the speed that I'm going at right now is, but it's not 41 miles per hour. I'm going a bit slower than that. Going back on the subject of cameras and audio and video recording, look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, there's no drift. The drift is gone. Snip, snip. It's not actually gone, it's in my rucksack I've got on my back, and it's basically just recording audio. So I've removed the microphone from the helmet entirely, and I've just got the GoPro and my little intercom going, and yeah, the drift is just there to record audio, and I don't really need any video from it, which is, well, I just that was the horn. And yeah, I think I'm just going to end it here today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. And I will see you all on my next one. Bye.